Good morning, guys. Welcome to the Total Knee Replacement Support Group YouTube channel. My name's Tony Maritato. I'm a licensed physical therapist, and recently a member of our Facebook group asked other members how did they choose the best surgeon to do their knee replacement. So of course we have the basics, right? We want to make sure that the surgeon is not under investigation for any criminal acts. We want to make sure that the surgeon is in good standing with the insurance company and the hospital and the general community. But once you go past that, I would say that most surgeons have a basic competency, a basic level of skill and proficiency in performing the total knee replacement surgery. What I would be looking for is the personality match. I know I'm a physical therapist. I work with some patients who don't care one iota about the bedside manner of their surgeon. They want the surgeon with the best resume. They want the best chance of a positive outcome, and that's all that they care about. And that's fine. I also know patients who really are looking for emotional support from their surgeon. They want a surgeon that they like on a personal level. They want a surgeon that they can trust and get to know. They want a surgeon who really will be there for them should something go wrong. Obviously, you hope for the best, but you plan for the worst. So if there's a complication, if there's a problem, they want a surgeon that they can connect with on a personal level and that they can trust in to be there to support them. We know that, bedside manner is one of the most important things when we're talking about kind of having a positive experience. So if you're looking for that, I would tell you to do some research, talk to other local providers. One of the best resources for picking a surgeon is talking to physical therapists, because we have no vested interest in one surgeon over another, but we get to hear all of the patient stories. And nurses, physical therapists, other healthcare providers, allied healthcare providers, we really get the most unbiased opinion. So if you want to know at least what we've heard, we can provide that to you. But definitely look for somebody that you can connect with, you can trust, you can relate to, and really has the support system in place so that should something negative happen, you can reach out to them 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and you're never going to feel like you're bothering somebody when you're asking them a question about something you're not sure about. Guys, I would love to hear from you. How did you pick the surgeon who did your surgery? What were the key characteristics you were looking for? Share it in the comments so that other people who are having knee replacements later this year and next year, maybe they can learn from the lessons that you've already lived. I'll catch you on the next video.